Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, family? So, I am back with some updates on the 10K funding pips challenge that I am taking currently. Um I am $108.28 away from passing the first phase. I said this challenge is for someone. I'm passing this challenge for someone. At some point, I will be offering those services, so you'll be able to pay me to pass your challenge, but that'll be in the future. But we have a we had two trades today. Well, actually three. So let me break down what I did. So as you can see here, I took trades on Euro, USD, and trade a trade on GBP Jappy, right? So this morning at around like 7 a.m., I think it was like 7:30, I got an alert. That alert let me know that Euro USD was in a sale. So what I did was um I jumped up to my hour time frame here. Let me move myself out of the way. I jumped up to my hour time frame here. And as you can see in my history, this is where the trade happened, right? This is where the trade happened. This is where my verified support was. So what I did was I jumped up to the hour, seen that the hour was in a sale, as you can see here. And these three moving averages are spread out. They're all spread out going in the downtrend. So I know, hey, this trade, I only should be taking sales today. So what I did was, as soon as I got the signal on the 15, as you can see, my signal hit here. Like I said in the previous video, there's these three moving averages, and then I have my entry arrow, and then I have my untested support here, my support and resistance here. Also, as you see here, what I did was as soon as this entered, as soon as this hit, jumped up to that 1 hour, made all my confirmations, and then entered and watched it melt. So it melted from this arrow all the way down to this untested support area. So my first trade on Euro USD was I closed out $120. So $125, and that closed this $125 trade while I was on the road to work. So I entered this trade, got it, you know what I'm saying? Entered the trade, got dressed, got in the car, got on the road, got to a stoplight halfway to work, seeing the profit, like, okay, we're in profit, closed the trade, and then jumped back in because I seen that it was still pushing. So I closed the trade right about this area. So this is where my first trade, where this horizontal line was, this is where my first trade closed, right about here. Then I got back in and closed out $69 with Euro USD, which my second trade closed about here at this point, right here. I didn't take it all the way to the untested support and clocked in. What's that? I should know smart math, right? Stupid, stupid, but no smart math. So, 125, $69. So I made $194 off that trade. Then, which is I made $294 in profit today, and then just when I got to work, I didn't even bother trying to trade anymore. I tried to find my entries, and I try to find my entries, and I try not to enter more than 1 or 2 trades a day. So, and that's a good rule. Find your entry. Get in 1 or 2 trades. This was my first trade of the day. When I came across this, I clocked in 194 off this one trade. Then when I got to work, there was another signal from GBP Jappy around, I believe, maybe I think it was like 10 o'clock. It's like 10, yeah, about 10:01. I got a new signal from GBP Jappy. That was a buy signal. So I'm going to jump over to GBP Jappy and show you where my buy signal hit. I'm going to go to tools. No, I'm sorry. Yeah, no, chart. Then we're going to trade history. And this here is where my buy signal hit, right? So what I did was I looked at the hourly. As you can see, the hourly in a strong bullish. It's real bullish here. It's really, really bullish. So what I did was as soon as I jumped up to the hour, jumped down to that 15. As soon as that 15 hit, going in the uptrend, I clocked in $100.15, and that was it for the day. Now, GBP Jappy is good in the Asian session also, right? Because you're trading the Asia market is still moving fast. It's still moving fast, so you can still get into trades. As you can see here, the 15-minute 15-minute time frame is giving a sell arrow here. So, like I said, we're taking pullbacks. We're taking pullbacks on the moving averages. So, what we're doing is as soon as this it's going to do a pullback here, but as soon as I get a buy in between these 2 moving averages here, I'm going to take a buy because look, the hour time frame is in a strong bullish trend. As you can see, the higher the 100 moving period average is below the other 2. So that means the market is moving up. This is very, very bullish. So what I'm going to do is I might end up passing this challenge tonight. The first phase of this challenge tonight. There's going to be a pullback here. Once this pullback happens and I get an adverse arrow going into a buy, that's when I'm going to go in. That's when I'm going to that's when I'm going to enter. And then once I enter, I'm going to enter 1% of my trading account. 1% of a $10,000 account is $5. Now remember, whenever you're trading, your trading day starts and ends at Asia session. If you understand what I'm saying. So when Asia session opens, boom, that's a new trading day. That's a whole new trading day. Your trading balance, the amount that you can lose, your drawdown amount, your end of day balance restarts at like 6 o'clock, I believe. 6. Well, actually, let's look here. Let's see if it's already reset. Okay, so yeah. The as you can see here, my total loss for the day is $533.55. That's the amount that I can lose to up to today before it blows the account. But as you can see, the Asian market has been open and it reset about 2 hours ago. Right now, it's 6:53 where I'm at. So almost 2 hours ago, the market reset itself. So that was about 4 o'clock. But at 4:30, there's nothing going on. Like the market completely closes. It's closed for that period of time, probably up to like 5:30, 6 o'clock. Then the market reopens, and then you start getting some momentum at around 7. So right now it's about 7 o'clock. and I'm getting some momentum on GBP Jappy going in the opposite direction for a sell. So we're not gonna take any sells. We know that the hour arrow was there. We know that the other two, the shorter moving averages, are above the 100 moving average. So I'm only looking for a buy. So if I get a buy arrow on GBP Jappy tonight or in the next hour or so, then I'm going to go in at 1% of my account and keep it moving. So but yeah, that's where we're at. So currently we are at total profit of $689.63. But as you can see, the balance here, profit balance here is $671.05. Like I said, you get those swipe charges trading with this particular funded account. You're gonna get swipe charges. It is what it is. We're gonna go ahead and look at the analytics here. Average win $32.76. Average loss $19.32. Yesterday's ratio was 80%. Now we're at 82.76. Profit factor 8.14. We are $128.95 away from passing this funded account challenge. The funded account challenge first phase is $800 in profit, so it's 4% of yeah, so it's 4%. Yeah, it's 4%. So you have to what is it, 4% or 6%? I'm not good. I'm not good with math. Hold on, guys. I'll tell you exactly what it is. So I'm tripping. I work in IT, so and I work for medical school, and it's orientation week, and the new students are coming in, and my brain is burnt out. So don't look at me wrong if my math is off. I'm sorry. My brain is on fire right now. So yeah, so it's 10% of it. You have to, I'm sorry. So with most of these challenges, you have to hit 10%. With this particular challenge, you have to hit 8%. So you only hit 8% of the account. 8%, 8% of 10,000 is $800. So yeah, 8% of 10,000 is $800. I don't know why my brain couldn't process that. Probably because I just been in front of a computer all day, and working and helping hundreds of people today. So, but yeah, so we are 6 days into the first day of the first week, the first phase. So we're 6 days. So I started this, like I said, last Sunday. We've tucked in 29 trades. Let's see, 29 trades. Biggest profit 125. Biggest loss was $40.80. But yeah, here we are, back office of funded pips. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. This is where we're at. When I pass the challenge, I'll come back and record a video showing you what I did to where I'm at and where the challenge is. But we should be passing. If we get a good trade on GBP Jappy tonight, we'll be passing the phase 1 challenge, and then once that's passed, they should send me the phase 2 challenge either tonight or tomorrow. If they send it tonight, then I'll start trading tomorrow on the new phase. I believe the next phase, I think it's 4%. So yeah, 4% on, I believe it's either 4 or 5. Don't quote me, but I think it's 4% on the second phase. So I'll have to hit 4% profit on the second phase, which should be pretty easy. This would be like $400. So with that said, like, comment, subscribe, guys. Like I said, I am having a raffle for anybody that is that's watching this video, that likes, comments, and subscribes to this channel. Leave a comment below, and I know that you liked and commented and subscribed. I am running a raffle. I'm going to be giving away a $300 EA that takes trades for you on autopilot for MT4. Once you the two people that win this will get the EA for free. I'm going to send you all the EA information, how to set it up, the best amount to have in the account and things like that. But it will take trades for you consistently. You're going to take all your trades at night. You're going to run this EA in the Asia session. But all that information will come once I run the raffle. I will be doing a comment raffle. So please, if you're in the channel and you're watching this video currently, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll do a comment raffle, pick two people, and those two people will get a $300 $300 trading EA that will help you trade on funded accounts and your personal account. So with that said, like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Until next time, let's stay profitable, guys. Well, all right. Peace.